You've got a desktop app, mobile apps, just a really cool platform, really cool information. And like I said, for $99 all in, we're talking unlimited users, unlimited clients, unlimited projects, unlimited teams, everything you need all in one place. I'm a big fan. For $99, it's too much money for what I need to use it for. I would love to use it, but I don't do a lot of one-on-one work. I don't do a lot of private stuff. I do everything in a public forum, really, for me. So I hope this helps. I think we've covered everything. I think I can tick my whole list off. I can tick off the mobile and finish with the other. So I'll put everything in chapters. I'll try and put things in time areas, so you can skip to set places to because this is going to be a long video. And I hope it helps. I hope you give Basecamp a try. The guys try and keep things as simple as possible. It's their ethos. If you actually, I got iTunes open. If you actually get this book, where is it? Where's Rework? Is it in order? Is it in order? If you get a book called Rework, it'll show up just as I'm about to. There, look, Rework. By Jason Friend and David Heinemeier Hansen. These are the guys who created Basecamp, and they keep it simple. They keep everything based around what you need. They don't go crazy on functionality. They go crazy on quality, on exactly what your team needs. So for $99 a month, well worth 30-day free trial, and then giving it a go, seeing what you think it is worth. So 2018 is in the bag. If you're watching this 2019, it'll still work, but anything further, make sure that you look for a new video that I've updated. Any comments, any questions, or you need me to go deeper, comment below and I'll always help. Cheers, guys.